Hello everybody. So today's video is going to be about like creating a shortcut for any website is URL. When I talk about URL, I mean like www.google.amazon.facebook. Any website you are about to visit. So this video is like creating that shortcut for that site instead of going to the browser and then typing Amazon, typing or Google Google typing in whatever site that you usually visit. So saving that time, you go to the browser, Firefox, Edge, Chrome, you create a shortcut like this that like resembles like an app. This is the Amazon shortcut. So we're going to make this shortcut for different sites that you'll be visiting, so that next time if you come back and click you want to visit that site, you don't have to go to the browser and you type in the name of the site and then you go like that. No, you just come simply to your desktop, your lap desktop, you simply click that app and then to open like in a new app, like you see Amazon. So we're here. Yeah, so that's what we are going to create. See, even here on the taskbar it's showing Amazon here. Oh, I double clicked and opened two windows. So this is Amazon. It looks like a real app for Amazon, but this is just simply a shortcut for Amazon that I just created. So this is what we're going to create. So you just need to stick around till the end of the video, so that when you're going to create a shortcut for inside, you don't mess around. Stay tuned. The video won't be long, I promise. Okay, let's do it. So simply you have to go visit. You have to open your browser. For my browser, I'm using Chrome. So we have to use Chrome. We have to use Chrome for this example. Maybe next time, if you really want me to make a video for making a shortcut for other browsers, you have to put in the comment. So for example, we are going to make a shortcut for let me see, pixels.com. Pixels is photo. Let me type in photo, pixel, like this. Okay, this site is simply just for showing photos, pictures, backgrounds. You can see, yeah, this is okay. Let me just click on this old woman here, you see. So let's see how we can make a shortcut for this screen, for this website pixels.com, as you can see in the URL. So all you need is just simply come to these three dots in the right top corner of this browser. You come, make sure you have the latest browser update of Chrome as of 2024. Yeah, you have to make sure it is the latest version, so that you don't see different screens or different settings in your browser. So we shall come here. As I said, you come, scroll down, save and share. You come on this real create shortcut. You click it. When you click it, this pop-up will come. This is Pixels. This is the logo for pixels.com. Then you say create. Okay, let's click it and see what will happen. You see this little pixel icon that came here in the text bar. You see it is here. So when we click it, see, it opens in the browser. See the other old woman screen, the screen that we created a shortcut. Is the real screen that comes when you click on that shortcut. So you see it opened in the browser, but let's say you want it like this. When you click it like this on Amazon, it creates its own screen without the browser. You see, you're not seeing any Chrome thing. You see, it's like an app on its own. So if you want to create that, let's first delete this. Delete even this one, and pin. I think it's gone. You see this trash of ours. Let's empty it, pixels. So when you want to create like that one of Amazon, let's create another. Let's find another thing, not the old woman. Old woman, old things are gone. Let's get this little guy of ours here. So as usual, come to the three dot in the right top corner, save and share. Am I going first? Save and share, create shortcut, then check this box, open as window. You open on its own without going through the Chrome or in browser. Then create. You see, it has opened in a new window, like in its own window, not the browser window. Let's close it and close this, and now try to click it and see what happens. You see, yeah, the other screen that we created the shortcut from is the real one that opened it. It doesn't open in the browser. It's on like an app. Yeah, it also comes, you see, the taskbar. It creates its own window. When you close it, it is pinned on the taskbar. See, like an app. This is the logo for Pixels. So that very website that you visit, it has its own logo. So that logo is the one that comes on the desktop. So here it is pinned, but if you want to unpin it so that doesn't overload, maybe your taskbar has a lot of apps and you don't want it to add the button on the taskbar, you can come here, right click and pin from taskbar, and it's gone. It's just on the desktop. For inside that you want to paste easily, that's how you can create its shortcut on your laptop, your desktop screen. Easy. So if you like my video and you want to see the future videos, you know what to do. You have to smash that subscribe button. Make sure you do really like my videos. Please don't. I'm not forcing you to subscribe. You only subscribe if you like my content. And of course, if the video was helpful to you, show me that you did like it by clicking that thumbs up button. Yeah, your comments are really necessary for me to know what I'm doing well and what I will need to do in the future. You want me to use other browsers to make shortcuts? You can also say in the comments. So until I see you next time, simple codes.